Hi guys, my name is Ben Murphy. This is the takeaway collaboration box with Dean Banks, the Pro Series. So firstly, when the box arrives, you're going to take the lid off and you're going to have 2 ice packs on top. You're just going to remove them gently. So in the box you're going to have a card which has a QR code on it, and it gives you all the instructions for each dish that you'll need. They're all colour coded. We have a piping bag also. This is going to be very important for the main course. And then so starter is colour coded yellow. This is the beef tartare dish. Second course is the scallops. So the scallops is colour coded blue. And then the main course is the chicken dish. So the chicken and the turnips are separate, but they all come together. The piping bag is for the main course. So this is going to be for the Caesar salad dressing, which is a chicken mayonnaise. So this is going to go over the baby gem. We've got an additional course of the lobster, the mirin butter, and then to finish off we have the carrot cake. That's it, thank you guys.